In today's digital age, opportunities abound for students to leverage their skills and knowledge to earn extra income. One such avenue is by harnessing the power of ChatGPT, an advanced AI language model developed by OpenAI. ChatGPT can be a valuable tool for students to provide services, create content, and engage in various online activities to generate income. In today's video, we will be showing you best ways to make money with ChatGPT as a student. Without further ado, let's begin. Virtual assistant services. As a student with access to ChatGPT, you can offer virtual assistant services to individuals or businesses. Virtual assistance entails performing tasks such as email management, appointment scheduling, data entry, research, social media management, and more. By leveraging ChatGPT to handle routine inquiries and automate processes, you can provide efficient and cost-effective virtual assistant services to clients. Content creation. ChatGPT can assist students in creating high-quality content for various purposes. You can offer content writing services, blog post creation, social media management, or even script writing for videos. By utilizing the capabilities of ChatGPT, you can produce engaging and informative content tailored to the needs of your clients, helping them build their online presence and attract a wider audience. Language tutoring. With ChatGPT's language capabilities, you can offer language tutoring services to individuals seeking to learn or improve their language skills. Whether it's English, Spanish, French, or any other language, ChatGPT can facilitate interactive and personalized language learning sessions. Students can provide guidance, conduct conversations, and help learners practice their language skills, providing a valuable service while honing their own language proficiency. Online course creation. If you possess expertise in a particular subject, ChatGPT can assist you in creating and designing online courses. By leveraging its conversational abilities, you can develop interactive and engaging course content, including lessons, quizzes, and assignments. Platforms such as Udemy or Teachable provide opportunities for students to monetize their expertise by selling their courses to a global audience. Chatbot development. Another lucrative opportunity is developing chatbots for businesses. ChatGPT can be utilized to build intelligent and conversational chatbots that provide customer support, answer frequently asked questions, or facilitate lead generation. By offering chatbot development services, you can help businesses automate their customer interactions and enhance their efficiency, all while earning income as a student. Transcription and translation services. ChatGPT's ability to understand and generate human-like text can be leveraged to offer transcription and translation services. You can transcribe audio or video files, converting them into written form, or provide translation services for documents, articles, or websites. By utilizing ChatGPT to streamline the transcription and translation processes, you can offer accurate and timely services to clients. Social media management. Social media has become a crucial component of modern marketing strategies. As a student, you can use ChatGPT to manage social media accounts for businesses. This includes content creation, scheduling posts, engaging with followers, and analyzing social media metrics. By leveraging ChatGPT, you can help businesses effectively manage their social media presence and drive engagement, while earning income as a social media manager. ChatGPT-based apps or tools. You can explore the development of applications or tools that utilize ChatGPT's capabilities. This could involve creating chat-based productivity tools, language learning apps, writing assistants, or customer support tools. By developing and monetizing such applications or tools, you can generate income while showcasing your technical skills and creativity. Online consultation and advice. Students with expertise in specific fields can offer online consultation and advice to individuals seeking guidance. Whether it's academic advice, career counseling, or personal development, ChatGPT can assist in providing insightful recommendations and engaging in meaningful conversations. Influencer marketing and affiliate programs. With a growing online presence, students can establish themselves as influencers in niche areas. By creating content, sharing knowledge, and engaging with their audience, students can attract followers and collaborate with brands through sponsored content or affiliate marketing programs. ChatGPT can assist in content creation, engagement, and managing partnerships, facilitating the monetization of your online influence. Chat-based customer support. You can offer chat-based customer support services to businesses. By using ChatGPT to handle customer inquiries and provide support, you can assist companies in delivering prompt and personalized customer service. This can be particularly beneficial for small businesses or startups looking to provide 24/7 customer support without the need for a large support team. Gaming and entertainment. ChatGPT can be integrated into gaming platforms or used to create interactive storytelling experiences. As a student, you can develop games, interactive narratives, or chat-based entertainment applications that leverage ChatGPT's conversational abilities. By monetizing these creations through in-app purchases, subscriptions, or advertisements, you can generate income while catering to gaming and entertainment enthusiasts. Market research and surveys. Companies often conduct market research to gather insights and opinions from consumers. You can utilize ChatGPT to design and administer surveys or conduct virtual focus group discussions. By offering market research services, you can assist businesses in gathering valuable data while earning money based on the scope and complexity of the research projects. Academic support. Students can provide academic support services using ChatGPT. This can involve offering essay editing, proofreading, or academic writing assistance. By utilizing ChatGPT to enhance the efficiency and accuracy of these services, you can help fellow students excel in their academic pursuits while earning income based on the scope and level of support provided. Chat-based language exchange. If you are proficient in multiple languages, you can create a platform or offer services that facilitate chat-based language exchanges. Users can connect with others who want to practice a specific language, and ChatGPT can assist in facilitating conversations and providing language guidance. By charging a subscription fee or offering premium features, you can monetize the language exchange platform. Personalized shopping recommendations. ChatGPT can be used to develop personalized shopping recommendation systems. As a student, you can curate and analyze product data, leverage ChatGPT to understand user preferences, and provide tailored recommendations for online shoppers. By partnering with e-commerce platforms or earning affiliate commissions, you can generate income based on successful referrals and purchases. As a student, you have a valuable opportunity to leverage ChatGPT to generate income while developing your skills and knowledge. The possibilities are vast, ranging from virtual assistants and content creation to tutoring, consulting, and app development. By capitalizing on ChatGPT's capabilities and combining them with your expertise and creativity, you can embark on a rewarding journey of making money while pursuing your education. Remember to continually refine your skills, adapt to market demands, and provide exceptional service to ensure long-term success in your chosen ventures. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.